Hello and welcome to Meadow Brown Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bake these delicious blueberry muffins. Start off by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Put your dry ingredients in a large bowl and then whisk this together and put to one side. Put all your wet ingredients in a jug and mix them together. Pour them into your dry ingredients and then mix this a little bit and then add some flour to a bowl of blueberries and then just mix this together. Put the blueberries in the flour mixture and then zest some lemon zest on top. And then mix this together until it's thick like this. Divide the mixture between the cupcake tray and then get some blueberries and put them on top of your cupcake mixture. And then just press it in gently so that they don't fall out when they're baking. I'm going to put some streusel on half of the cupcakes. To learn how to make streusel, click on the link above. Press the streusel in gently and then put this in the oven and immediately reduce the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake in the oven for about 20 to 22 minutes until nice and golden brown on top. Remove them from the oven and leave them on the tray for a few minutes. This is the one with streusel and you just remove it and you can see it's nice and baked through underneath. And then remove the one without streusel as well. As you can see, they're all baked through. Leave this on a cooling rack to cool completely. And then I'm just going to get one and show you what it looks like inside. It's nice and baked through and fluffy. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.